Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for coming. My name is Morgan, and today I'm just here to give you guys a 1 month update on how my Microloc journey is going. If you don't know, these are my locks. Yesterday I washed my hair, so it is nice and clean scalp. Let me show you guys my edges. Let me get a little closer. There is nothing on my hair, y'all. I don't have any oil or anything. I feel like my hair is filling in a lot in this area. It was a little bit more thin. Y'all know for my alopecia journey, this side of my hair, this side of my head had like a lot of balding because I had one of my spots for my alopecia was like right here. And y'all, could you believe that this is filling in so nicely? It looks great. Okay, do y'all notice how long my sideburns are, by the way? I just wanted to say, like, look. Shoot, my earrings stuck. Look, my sideburns go all the way down here. I pretty much, like, have a beard, but that's neither here nor there. My sideburns are so long. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys the back. Yeah, some of my hair is gonna be a little bit more crinkly in some spots than others, so just ignore that. Just get into the hair. So this is the back. This is the back. Let me come back some so y'all can see. So I'm gonna do if you have it in your heart, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Now back to the video. This is my head like straight forward. Like I'm not leaning back. This is me leaning back, leaning my hair back right now. This is my head normally. So this is where my hair is sitting in my normal posture. So I want y'all to see the length. So I'm gonna pick it up. Love you. So back to this. This is what it looks like when I lift up my hair. I hope y'all can see that. I'm trying to look in my other mirror to make sure y'all can see. But yeah, this is what it looks like when I lift up my hair. I didn't do no trickery here. I'm showing you what it really looked like. So I'm also gonna link my alopecia journey, my last video. I'm still, as y'all know, battling this spot right here with my alopecia. It is looking great, and we have come a long way. We are going to celebrate all success and all victories, no matter how big or how small. So any progress is still progress, and I'm happy for it. If your hair is not where it used to be, but you are seeing progress, celebrate your progress. Be happy that there is something. Be grateful. That is what I am going to do. I know, and those of y'all who see my videos know how far that these edges have come. Not just the edges, but the hair in the back. The hair in the back was in some bad shape, and now it is looking great, and I am here for it. But yeah, y'all, let me get off my soapbox. So far, this journey has been nothing short of amazing for me. I am really excited and happy that I even started this journey because, for one, it taught me a lot of patience. I already felt like I had a lot of patience, but I feel like, you know, I'm starting to learn myself a little bit more because in my retwist video, I really had to put that to the test. Something about really just being personal and connected with my hair and the whole process. It just really feels really good to know that each and every strand of hair I am looking after and giving some thought and care. I am embracing the whole journey, and it has definitely been great, and I've got a lot of tips from a lot of people. I may be doing some things that people may say, no, don't do that. I mean, don't do that on your journey or whatever. But I kind of am doing what I think is right. Like I said, I am now on my second wash and I am a month in, but y'all, I needed it because with the gym being how the gym is and my hair stinking how it stinks, I just think that I needed what I needed and I got what I got, which was a wash. But I just kind of feel like my hair is flourishing. Is that lint? Oh man. Oh man. Yeah, that was lint. I've been wearing scarves, by the way, and my bonnets at night, so I don't really know where that came from, but I've been shaking my head, y'all. Why does piece just want to stay? See, you're making me look bad. You're making me look bad. You know what? It's gonna be what it's gonna be right now. But real quick, let me talk about what I've been doing to my hair. Daily, I might put it in like a little ponytail, like a loose ponytail when I go work out. And when I get out of the gym, I've been taking it out the ponytail because at first I was leaving it in the ponytail, but I was noticing like, okay, if I leave my hair in the ponytail, my hair is gonna be, you know, all of that water and sweat that I need to dry up is staying in the spot where I have it. So I said, no, I'm gonna let it loose. So now after I get out of my workout, I've been taking my hair and I've been shaking it. I've been trying to let it air out, literally, and it will dry quicker. Also, I've been spraying my hair with the rose water, and if it's not the rose water, I've been using just regular distilled water so it can get some moisture because I don't want my hair to be dry. I have been using small amounts of oil on my scalp, and that's been working good too. What is this considered? Is that frizz or what? I don't know what to consider this, but some of my ends look like this. I'm just gonna let it do what it's doing. But yeah, I have been putting small amounts of oil on my scalp because I tend to get a little itch every now and then, and I don't like it. So I, you know, just making sure my scalp has something on it to you know, help it stay a little moisturized. But I have not been putting oil on my hair. I've just been putting small amounts of oil on my scalp. That more than likely will, due to science and how gravity works, it probably will end up traveling down the hair shaft a little bit and getting onto my hair. But I have been cautious and aware of what types of oil I'm using. I'm using very light oils on my scalp to help do that. And I'm liking how that's going so far. So I think I'm gonna keep doing that. I've been sleeping with my bonnet, but I always slept with my bonnet on, y'all. I started sleeping without my scarf. I used to sleep with a scarf and a bonnet because I'm a wild sleeper. But in my head, I was like, well, if I sleep without my scarf on, maybe I'll get more friction and maybe some of those hairs will start to lock up a little bit better. So I just removed the scarf and just kind of let my hair just rub together and so they can kind of tangle up. But this was just my logic. I could be wrong about how that may go. So that's what I've been doing. I'm just testing it out right now to see if that's something that is working best for me or isn't. As far as everything else, there's really not been any changes. This has been very easy for me. I'm a person that never really went to the hair salon or got my hair done by other people. I've always done my own hair. So this journey for me has been way easier than being a loose natural. So far, I have had very minimal maintenance I've had to do with my hair, and I'm loving it. Like when I said yesterday I wanted to wash my hair, I literally put my hair in some big old braids, got in the shower, did my thing, cleansed it, got out, wrapped my hair in a t-shirt, and let it air dry in those braids. And that was that on that. There wasn't no deep condition. There wasn't no detangling. There wasn't all these steps. For me, my wash days used to take me like a day. If it wasn't a day, it'd take me like half a day. And that's if I wasn't styling. And if I had to style my hair the same day or something, it was just a long process. Y'all, this ain't that. This is so easy for me. So I'm loving it. My shower's loving it. I don't have a bunch of hair stuck in the bottom of the shower anymore. I so far really don't have anything bad to say. I thought I would, but I don't. Let me think. The only thing I could think of was when my hair was like really stank and sweaty, but I just needed to wash my hair. I haven't had no troubles yet. This has been very good for me, good for my lifestyle. I'm liking it so far. But if you are on a Microloc journey or a lock journey, please do let me know down in the comments down below. How has your experience been? I'm only 1 month in, and I know some of y'all been in the game a long time, so let me know, how has your journey been? Was it like a big change? Was it positive or negative? For those of y'all with experience, please let me know down below. I'd love to hear your stories. As always, thank you guys for watching my video. What do you guys think of my locks so far? Do they look really different from when I first started the journey? In my opinion, the answer is yes. They do not look the same at all. If you haven't already and you have it in your heart, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all the love and support. And until next time, y'all, I will talk with y'all soon. Take care. Bye.